Hiya, who's new with you? Happy St. Patrick's Day 2022. And happy Billy Corgan's birthday. And 2 days after mine. Well, I just made it down to Ocean Beach. Rushed a little bit because, trying to squeeze too much into the day as usual. And hence I'm shooting without my gimbal. Left it in the car. But man, I got an amazingly miraculous parking spot for where I want to be and enjoy some live music tonight. Yeah, Ocean Beach is very colorful. When I started joining the Sages of Wonderland meetings here in Ocean Beach, I didn't realize how intriguing the neighborhood really was. It's quite a spot. You're seeing it a little bit too wide. Let's see if I can pinch and zoom a little bit without going too shaky cam. I was going to Facebook Live, but I've been filling up my phone so much that I can't. I offloaded Facebook and now it won't fit back on. Oh well. So, vendors backing up here. We have a lovely vendor village that happens in this area. Trying to steady the camera, I'm so sorry. Not my style to have shaky cam. That might be a little bit of music setup right there. Anyway. California is starting to really make sense. And as time goes by over the next month or two, what I just said will make sense. I am quite confident that California is about to pull back its freedom and gain a proper international reputation for being a leader of freedom in our world. It got hijacked by the dark side, but it's coming back. Big puppy walking by. Squirrel! Sorry. Just the distractible camera. Isn't that a lovely view of lights at Magic Hour? As the sky darkens, but still has light within it. Yep, I think soon enough I will even get back to doing some real photography. I just received a request for pricing for a portrait.
It's not him, like, don't be that scared.
So a lot of things are indeed happening, as my favorite astrologer, Christopher Witecki, aka Namaste Today, aka Sirius Joy. That's Sirius like the dog star, Sirius. Christopher has been saying that things were going to be clicking in and manifesting beautifully without any effort, just happening. And stuff's been happening yesterday and today. I can't even tell you about. Just really beautiful things. And then other things that I'm just needing to let go of because they're just not a fit. Just folks that are still stuck in blame and conflict, while espousing such high ideals. It's always interesting. we preach what we need to learn, right?
We'll also be closer to my car if you want to go out or something.
And I've certainly done a lot of that, preaching what I needed to learn. My friend Stephen came to realize that I was giving him all this great advice, but not taking it. So it does happen to the best of us and the worst of us. Geez, I feel like I'm Lori Ladd, speaking metaphysical wisdoms. She is so consistent. She really knows her stuff and brings it to you consistently every episode. Sky beginning to get a little darker. It's a great big, tall, upscale bus coach there. So, I don't want to give you any more shaky cam. I think that's enough. So, happy St. Patrick's Day and Billy Corgan's birthday from Ocean Beach, California. As the guitar begins, I'll let you wonder what he's playing if you hear it in the background. Blessings. Much love.